Emotional, exceptional, electric. This is a new Cayenne, a league of its own in every way. Performance, design, tech. Better than ever before. With the Taycan, we launched our first all-electric sports car in 2019, a bold move at that time. We added the all-electric Macan to this EV lineup. Now, the Cayenne Electric is set to be a game changer again. It's pushing the limits, breaking into a whole new world, redefining what an SUV can be. Groundbreaking electric power meets everyday usability. Excellent long-distance comfort meets uncompromising off-road qualities. Our most powerful series production car ever, up to 1,156 PS, 0 to 100 in 2.5 seconds. That's supercar territory conquered by a full-size SUV. Charging, fast and easy, from 10 to 80% in less than 16 minutes with up to 400 kilowatts of charging power. You're back on the road in no time. Hardware and software perfectly connected. Fast, direct, intuitive. Built to work as one. It's not just digital, it's Porsche digital. The design, bold, refined, unmistakably Porsche, with outstanding aerodynamics. Michael has more.
Unmistakably Porsche, unmistakably Cayenne. What does that mean? We built on established design features, kept the ones that make the Cayenne unique, and carried them into the future. Important for every Porsche are the Porsche typical proportions. It is the height to width ratio, and it is the stance of the car. Let's have a look at the front. So there you see this very low bonnet and our typical topography with these pronounced fenders and the very flat matrix LED headlights. When we look at the side of the car, you see this dropping and very fast roofline. We as designers love to call it the Porsche flyline. On the rear end of the car, we have introduced as well new progressive design features that underline the modern design language of the car. The light band has a three-dimensional shape. Aerodynamics is very important for Porsche, and the new Cayenne is one of the most aerodynamic SUVs in its segment. On the turbo, there's one additional highlight, the active aero blades. Inside, there's even more to discover. With the new interior concept, we are setting standards in driver-oriented digitalization. With up to 3 screens, the total display area is the largest ever in a Porsche. But at the same time, we kept some Porsche-typical analog elements. My personal highlight of the interior is our flow display. It transforms a user interface into a visually flowing user experience. And with the handrest, we make sure that you can operate all digital and analog elements, even in dynamic driving situations. And now, Sajjad, tell us more about the digital driver experience.
At Porsche, everything starts with the driver, and we work extremely hard to elevate the driver's experience. This is the essence of Porsche Digital Interaction. We call it PDI. It's an intelligent fusion of software and hardware that gives seamless, intuitive access to entertainment, connectivity, and of course, the personalized driving. Our digital innovations bring clear benefits: a robust software platform, over-the-air updates, advanced driver assistance system, as well as the integration of our class-leading predictive charging planner. On top, The AI-driven Porsche Voice Pilot is your onboard travel companion, someone who understands what you mean and amplifies your experience of the beautiful world we live in. Hey Porsche, introduce yourself.
Sure. I use artificial intelligence to understand what you say and respond naturally. When you ask me something, I process your words, recognize the context like your location, current music, or what we talked about before. I am designed to be fast, safe, and focused on your needs while driving.
So imagine navigating, discovering local insights, and finding the perfect song all in just one go. Now let's take a look at our flow display. The dual screen, which has the intelligence together with the beauty as well as the functionality. The upper section delivers great visuals while also offering you all kind of adjustment in a very instant manner. For example, you touch the vehicle, all the major features are available to you for a very smooth experience. The lower section offers a very fast, intuitive, personal experience. You can move as you want, and you can also customize as you would like to have it for your own drive. And the curved instrument cluster reimagines again the Porsche iconic tube layout, fully digital, fully customizable, and 100% driver-focused. And for the passenger, integrating third-party apps with native Porsche experiences offers a new level of entertainment, streaming, and even gaming. Being a co-pilot has never been this much fun. With all this digitalization and intelligence, what have we done for the actual driving experience?